Who's asking? Mastering who questions with auxiliary verbs. Hello learners, and welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we are focusing on forming questions with who, and, more specifically, we'll explore how to use auxiliary verbs within those questions. By the end of this video, you will have the tools to form questions using who, like a native English speaker. So, let's get started. Auxiliary verbs, or helping verbs, are used in conjunction with main verbs to express shades of time and mood. They are be, do, and have. For instance, in the question, who have you invited? Have is the auxiliary verb. Understanding these verbs is the key to forming questions with who. Before we delve into auxiliary verbs, let's look at simple who questions without auxiliary verbs. Questions like, who is she? Or, who lives here? Here, who is used to ask about a person's identity or ask about the subject of the verb. When we want to ask about the object of the action, rather than the subject, we use an auxiliary verb. Let's take an example. Who did you see? In this sentence, who is the object of the verb, see, and did is the auxiliary verb helping to form the question. We also use auxiliary verbs when we want to ask about different tenses. For example, who has she been talking to? Here, has been are the auxiliary verbs indicating the present perfect continuous tense. To truly master this concept, it's all about practice. Try forming your own who questions with auxiliary verbs. Here are some examples for you to start with. 1. Who did you call? 2. Who has she met? 3. Who are they looking for? Great job today, learners! Remember, English, like any language, takes time and practice, so don't worry if you don't get it right away. Keep practicing who questions with auxiliary verbs, and soon it will become second nature. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video.